I am Vivan Goyal. I am Vedika Mathur, presenting the news reel of Class 4D. Let's hear the national news from Rafaya and Arne. Supreme Court ordered all states and union territories to file a complaint against those making hate speeches without waiting for a formal complaint. The Supreme Court termed these speeches as serious offence since they are capable of harming the secular fabric of the country. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh urged the SCO member nations to collectively work towards eliminating terrorism. India firmly told China that its violation on the border pacts has disturbed the basis of bilateral ties. PM Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate India's first ever water metro in Kerala that connects 10 islands surrounding Kochi using battery-operated electric hybrid boats. This water metro will connect islands and city, which will be as comfortable as the traditional metro system. According to the recent news report, a unique 3D printed post office is being built in Bengaluru. The cost of constructing this post office is estimated to be 30 to 40% lower than that of a traditional building. Now Rhea and Avika will present the international news.
After New York, Pennsylvania also declared Diwali as an official state holiday. Belgium waste company Vito is expected to launch a 2-year pilot project aimed at producing biodiesel from waste in Ayodhya soon. US-bound oil tanker Advantage Speed was seized by Iranian commandos. It had 24 Indian crew on board. The US Navy demanded the ship's immediate release, slamming Iran's continued harassment in Gulf water. China flies 38 warplanes near Taiwan. 6 Navy vessels were also spotted in the area.
Our school is buzzing with so many activities. Let's hear the school news from Moina and Mishika.
The prefectorial team of the primary department initiated a awareness drive and went to all the classrooms of the department to sensitize the students about following the rules and regulations of the school regularly.
National Technology Day was celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm in the primary department. The theme of the year 2023-24 was High Tech. Children made informative posters, write-ups on the same to spread awareness on the latest developments in the field of AI. The summer vacations will be starting from 13th May and school will reopen on 3rd July. Children, the holiday homework will be shared with you on the class WhatsApp group. Enjoy your summer break, but remember to complete your holidays homework on time.
Saishan Kyad will tell us about the latest happening in the sports world.
The Indian wrestlers have been protesting near Jantar Mantar, Delhi. They are demanding the removal and criminal action against Brij Bhushan, President of the Wrestling Federation of India, WFI, over exploitation and harassment.
IPL 2023 sets record for most totals of over 200 in a single edition. Indian women's hockey team to take tour of Australia as a part of Asian Games preparations.
Let's hear the weather report from Bhumi and Aradhya.
The maximum temperature in Delhi will vary from 40 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will vary from 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. Delhi will be experiencing a heat wave in the coming weeks. Since the days are bright and sunny, dear friends, we must keep ourselves well hydrated before going out. We should apply sunscreen. And if the heat is too harsh, then we should not step out without a hat or an umbrella.
It's time to sign off from today's newsreel. Have a cheerful day ahead.
माँ एक ऐसा शब्द है जिसके विषय में कितनी भी बात हो जाए कम ही है। माँ को प्रेम और करुणा का प्रतीक माना जाता है। presenting a lovely song dedicated to our wonderful mothers.
थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है। मुश्किल में होती हूँ अम्मी मेरी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भिगोती है। एक एक आंसू में दुआएं पिरोती है, कोई बताए क्या है अम्मी ऐसी होती है। थोड़ी सी